In this quick video, we'll be going through wall power. For this, we need to purchase a weapon from a wall buy and kill 50 zombies with it. Where do you find wall buys? Well, zooming into the minimap, you'll see tons of small dots. Zooming into these small dots, you'll find most of them are these wall buy weapons. All we need to do is mark one and head straight for it. These spawn practically anywhere and everywhere on the map, but of course usually in and around cities. When you find it, simply hit F to interact with it. Obviously, when you purchase it, you'll be dropping one of your 2 weapons if you have 2 of them. Otherwise, it should take up the other empty slot. All we need to do now is simply just get a bunch of zombies with it, and that's pretty much it. This is an incredibly simple mission, as long as you know what a wall buy is and where to find one. That's probably what you came to this video for, so if you're about to click off, hopefully you find the rest of this easy enough. The only thing that could slow down your progress on this mission is not finding more zombies. It's taken me a small minute to run around to find any, but at least now that I have, it should be quick enough to get this done. If you find an event that spawns zombies, you can always activate it. It should make life a bit quicker. 34 out of 50, we're getting closer. Picking up an HVT, or rather most wanted monster mission, I suppose, is probably one of the fastest ways to find yourself more zombies if the map seems to be pretty much completely empty. It will obviously take you over to a big boss zombie, but there'll be tons of them around them. In fact, we may even finish it before reaching it. We have 3 more zombies to go. 1, 2, and that's it, 3. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.